Hello everyone, Namaskar and good day. In this video, we'll take a quick look at Glenmark Life Sciences IPO, share some details about the company and provide our recommendation on whether to subscribe or not to this issue and whether we can get listing gain on this IPO or not. So stay tuned. So let's talk about the IPO details. The issue is for a total of Rs 1,513 crores, which comprises of the fresh issue of Rs 1,060 crores and offer for sale by the promoters of Rs 453 crores. The issue opens on 27th of July 2021 and closes on 29th of July 2021. The price band is Rs 695 to Rs 720 per share and the bid lot is 20 shares. Post the issue, the market cap of the company will be Rs 8,822 crores and the shares are likely to be listed on the exchanges on 6th of August 2021. Incorporated in 2011, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited is the promoter of the company. Glenmark Life Sciences is the leading manufacturer of active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs. Company operates two business lines, generic and complex APIs, 90% of revenue, and CDMO, 8% of revenue. Its products are being sold in India and also exported to multiple countries, in essence, Europe, North America, Latin America, Japan, etc. Currently, it has 4 manufacturing facilities at Ankleshwar and Dahej in Gujarat and Mohol and Kurkumbh in Maharashtra state with an aggregate annual installed capacity of 725.8 KL as of 2020. Objective of issue: to finance capital expenditure requirements, 150 crores. To make payment of outstanding purchase consideration to the promoter, 800 crores. To meet general corporate purposes. Positives: leading manufacturer of selected specialized APIs for chronic therapeutic areas like CVS, CNS, diabetes and pain management. 16 of the 20 largest generic companies globally were customers. Company maintains strong relationship with leading global generic companies. As of March 31st, 2021, it had a portfolio of 120 molecules globally and sold APIs in domestic as well as in international market. Good track record of regulatory compliance. Company has not received any warning letter since 2015. Risks: company will be increasing its capacity by more than 25% in FY 2022 and this will create pressure on company's financials for the time being. Dependence on reputative orders, approximately 69% of their customers were repeat customers. Outlook and valuation. Based on FY 2021 PE of 22x and EV/EBITDA of 27.1x at the upper band of the IPO price, valuations are slightly better than the peers companies. Similarly, the company has one of the best ROCE of 32.7%. The company has a very healthy balance sheet and will become net debt-free after the IPO. We expect the upcoming expansion plan in Ankleshwar and Dahej will be the next long-term growth driver for the company. We are assigning a subscribe recommendation to the issue. Recommendation: subscribe.